Hello dear guys, this is our third video on this channel, and here you can see in today's video we are going to discuss that how you can upload a video on YouTube. It's too easy, and here I'm now on my YouTube channel studio, my new channel, and I'm now on my dashboard. Here you can see on the left corner the content option, so I'm just clicking on the content option here, and after that you can see here one of my video is uploaded, and here you can see the create option, the create button. Here you can see the create button, and simply click on the create button option. Here you can see different types of option. I'm clicking on the upload video option, and here the select file option, so I'm just selecting the file from where I've uploaded my video. So here my video is in document type, and I think so in the Bandicam. So from here I'm just want to upload my video, and here you can see I'm just from where you can just upload your video. So I just want to upload this video, and I'm just selecting this video and open this video. So here this video is now going to upload on YouTube, and the video uploading is pending now. So here you can see the spelling is have an issue, so I'm just correct this spelling, companies. So after that, companies. Okay, so the spelling is good. So here you can see the title required, which is must for every of your YouTube video you want to upload. It's a required option. So the title is here. Just copy the title and paste it also in the description section, and here your video is ready, and top of the elements and things which is uploaded. So here if you drag some of the file, here you can see thumbnail option. So you just edit your thumbnail that you want to set up the thumbnail option. So from here you can select your thumbnail of your basic, and after that if you drag more, and here you can see the select option. If you have any playlist, so from here you can select and add this video into the playlist from here. Here you can see the no option, because I don't want to upload this video as a kids content, so that's why I'm selecting this topic and selecting the no option here, because I don't want to upload this video for kids. So you just leave this here, and after that the show more option, there are a lot of more option like tags and more, but we are discussing the tags option in our next video. Here you can select your video language, that in which language your video is being uploaded. So I'm just selecting the United States option. Here the location and all the settings you must set up first, and here you can see the category option. So when you click on the drag and drop option, and from here you can just select the science and technology, and you are on a category that you want to upload. After that you can just click on the next option. Here you can see you can add the video elements in your video, that in which type of content you want to upload. So you just add the end screen and subtitles. So after that you can next, and there is some checks will be uploaded. After that this is the must step, you just follow the private option and the unlisted option, and you can see guys, this is the private option, this is the unlisted option, and this is the public option. So only you can people choose can watch the video. So this is private, unlisted, and public. If you want to public your video instant, so just click on the public option, and after that simply click on the publish option. So here the button will be appear. So when you click on the publish option, your video will be published instantly after uploading and checking completed. So these are the steps of video completing, video uploading on YouTube in 2023. So this is the basic step you want to follow, and here you can see your video is now ready being uploaded.